Perhaps the most important thing to know about me as the founder of Atticus Family Law is not my 22 years of family law experience, but rather that I come at this with a very business mindset. I ran a little business when I was in college. I'm very business mindset focused. And that's good news for you as you think about hiring Atticus Family Law, because ultimately it's very easy for attorneys just to turn around and say, I got a law license, I've got some experience, I don't want to work for somebody else anymore. I'm going to hang my own shingle and start my own law firm. And maybe they are superb lawyers, but that doesn't mean they know how to run a good business, and all the ways in which they're tripping over themselves as a business owner isn't going to complicate and hinder your case. My goal in running Atticus Family Law is to turn around and have a well-oiled machine that takes care of everything smoothly, that we anticipate problems, and that ultimately my staff can be focused just on what's going on with the clients. They're not turning around and being distracted because their PTO request wasn't properly managed, or they're all of a sudden got some sort of dysfunctional coworker they're dealing with that's a big, massive distraction. I want a well-run machine. I want happy employees. I want a good culture so that then we can turn around and do what we're here for, which is helping people transition to better lives. And I like to think that because I am as focused as I am, we're turning around and being able to do things like not just run a law firm and process the legal, be innovative and bring on the client coach, which then makes clients even happier because it makes their divorces and their family cases much less painful and gives them tools to make for better lives. Ultimately, there's some really great benefits that come in from understanding that you need to have a good organizational mindset as to how to best run a firm so that then we can turn around and best run the client cases because we're not distracted by fumbling over ourselves.